Hey dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am doing a video on a few hairstyles to do if you are having a bad hair day and you just don't know what to do. So let's just get started. So first thing first, I'm going to apply some water onto my hair, and then I'm going to be using Eden's Body Works Papaya Castor Conditioning. So I'm not going to be using a lot, but I'm definitely going to apply enough to where my hair has some moisture and shine. I'm going to be doing a top knot bun for the first style, so my ponytail needs to be snatched and it needs to be high up and kind of tight. So this is how it looks. And I am going to separate it into two pieces, and then I am going to twist each section so that I'm able to have two twists in my ponytail. You guys can see how I'm doing it right now. I kind of want to do it a little loose so that when I'm wrapping it around in the bun, it looks thicker and taller. Once you're done twisting your hair, you take the twist and you wrap it around your bun to form the base of the top knot. And then you use a bobby pin, pin that bad boy down, and then you do the second twist and make that the top layer of your top knot bun. And then you're done. It's super easy. I think it's so cute, and yeah. Here is my finished look. Super cute, easy, and just bomb, honestly. Okay, now we're on to our second look. This is like one of my favorites. It's a slick back bun. I'm going to put some water in it, take my brush, and brush it back to where it is super slick, y'all. For this hairstyle, I like my hair to look super tame, so I'll usually use gel, conditioner, and water if I have to, just to get the look that I'm going for. But once I'm done brushing my hair, I'm going to put it in a low ponytail, and then I'm going to put a twist in my hair, and then wrap that twist around so that I'm able to have a poppin' bun. So I did my baby hairs off the camera because I can't do it while I'm on camera, but this is how they look. And then I'm just going to use a little Eco Styler gel on top to just make sure everything is like really sleek. And here is your finished look. I love it. And fun fact, I do this when I'm deep conditioning and I have to go outside last minute. Now I'm ready for my last look. I'm going to part my hair on whatever side is my good side. And then I'm going to add some water and use my brush and just brush my hair down. Once I'm done brushing my hair, I'm just going to put my hair in a low ponytail, and then I'm going to braid it and wrap that braid around. And there you go, there's your bun. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. No, I'm not ready for you, want me all alone, but I'm undecided.